usually put my clay charms creations in this transparent display box that I got from Daiso. So here I have a Yumi Bear ice cream cone squishy inspired clay charm. This was actually kind of challenging to make. You can see some imperfections. Here I have some cracks, and the color of the head and the cones are very similar when they're supposed to be kind of different. And yeah, this is how it looks like. I still really like it, so next I have this Sammy the Patisserie Cruller Donut Squishy. I forgot the specific name for this donut, but you can search it up. This is actually a super squishy. You can call this the retro squishy. Here you can see the donut. It's filled with cream. The donut itself is textured. You can see some dots. It's half covered in chocolate. Some sprinkles here and there. So this was actually my first squishy inspired clay charm. And next I have this usagi and pesque. I don't know how to pronounce them, but I'm pretty sure this character is called Usagi, and it's actually a sticker, a Facebook sticker if I'm not mistaken. Don't attack me. I really enjoyed using them when I was chatting with my friends, so I made this. Here's this awkward one. I really like this too. And that's that. It's this, I forgot the name. So here is the supasquishy shop, Sleepyhead sushi squishy. This name is just okay. You can see the blussy cheeks. This is actually like the rice part, and here is the seafood, probably salmon but in different color. If you do this quiz, you will get to the end where you get the results, and it will tell you what kind of squishy you are. Oh, I got Sleepyhead. That's why I made this. Yes, I really like how there are different meanings to the squishies. Last and not least, I have this Maru Pancake. I think this is pretty iconic. Most of you guys know about this. It's kind of hard to shape the bear shape. You can see that it's not symmetrical, but whatever. So here's the butter, the melted butter. And I don't really like the side part, so I use chalk pastels to kind of blend everything together, and I glaze it to protect the chalk pastels.